Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping creations of 2026, the all-new Mercedes-Benz chassis motorhome. This isn't just an RV. It's a rolling luxury suite that will completely change the way you think about travel. Stick with me because what's hidden inside is going to blow your mind. From the very first glance, this motorhome demands attention. The sleek Mercedes-Benz design, bold lines, and futuristic stance instantly set it apart from anything else on the road. But trust me, the real magic begins the moment you step inside. Imagine opening the door and being greeted by a living room that feels more like a five-star penthouse. Plush seating, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows create a space where every road trip feels like a luxury getaway. You've got a giant smart TV, surround sound, and even cinema-style recliners. Yes, an actual home theater inside your RV. Move a little further, and you're in a fully equipped kitchen that rivals what most people have at home. Stainless steel appliances, induction cooktop, spacious fridge, oven, and premium countertops. Cooking here doesn't feel like camping. It feels like fine dining on wheels. Step into the bedroom and the comfort level goes off the charts. A king-size bed, climate control, hidden storage, and smart lighting make it feel like a luxury hotel suite. Imagine waking up to a sunrise in the mountains while resting on Mercedes luxury. Even the bathroom takes things to another level, with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and the kind of design you'd expect in a boutique spa. No more roughing it on the road, this is relaxation redefined. And let's not forget the brains behind all the beauty. This 2026 Mercedes-Benz motorhome is powered by an advanced system that combines performance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. With electric options, off-grid capabilities, and smart connectivity, it's designed to handle both city streets and rugged adventures with ease. So whether you're chasing sunsets on the coast, exploring mountain passes, or just want to live the ultimate luxury lifestyle on wheels, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz RV has taken the game to a whole new level. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to subscribe right here to Auto Plus for more incredible reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles. This is not just travel, it's an experience, and Mercedes-Benz just proved the future of motorhomes has arrived.